this question. We have been given a bigger circle and a smaller circle. The bigger circle's center is O here, which is given in the question. So let us mark these points. So this O is center of the bigger circle and this C is the center of the smaller circle. Now we have been given some other things also. The thing which is given is that there is a chord which is touching the smaller circle, and the two lengths at the touch points are 9 and 4. We have to find out length of this x which is passing through that touching point. Uh, First, understand what is the key concept that we will use to solve this question. Let us understand the key concept first. So suppose we have a circle here and the two chords are there inside the circle which are passing through each other, which are cutting each other at a point. Suppose this point is O1 and the length, this length is A, this length is B, this length is C, and this length is T. So if they're intersecting at a point, then the A into B, the length of one of the chords, the intersected length of one of the chords, which is A here and B, equal to C into D, which is the intersected length of the other chord, C and D. Okay, and we will use this concept only to solve this question. First, we will do a construction here. So let us see how to do. As you know that O is the center of the larger circle. Suppose if I extend this line, the chord which is of measurement x, let us extend this one to this side, right? I have extended this to this side. Now from O, if I draw a perpendicular on this particular point, so what happens in a circle, if you have a chord and from the center of that circle, suppose O is the center, and you draw perpendicular on that particular chord, then the particular will bisect the chord in two equal length. So if this is x, then it will also be x. In our context, what is happening is that, let me redraw this figure. This is my bigger circle, this is my O here, and this is a chord here which is passing through. Okay, so from O, I'm drawing a perpendicular in the figure, and this is x. So obviously this length also will become x. So I can safely conclude here that this length is also x for me. Now the situation is pretty clear. Let us see how to proceed in this question. Now let's see that we have drawn a perpendicular here, and this length we have concluded is x also. So in my circle here, now the situation is something like this, that I have two chords. One is of length 9, one is of length 4. This length is x, this length is x, and they are intersecting at a point. So as I said that from my key concept, that if we have two intersecting chords, then the length of one of the chord, the intersected length of one of the chord, which is 9 and 4 here, is equal to the intersected length of other chord, which is x into x, x into x. So x square will become 36 and my x will be 6 here. So my answer for x is 6 here, and this is what is the answer. I hope you understood this concept. Please leave a comment and like my video, and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.